Okay, I found it. Oh. Well, isn't that nice? Okay, so I found this bird who's... Wait. Fuck! Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't think it can fly, so I'm gonna see if it will allow me to get up close to it. A little bird, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm probably really scaring it, so... I don't know. Is it too fat? It looks really fat. Trust me, when I'm filming animals, I always respect their privacy. I go in for a little bit, and it's still right there. Okay, I'm gonna go in one more time. That is one fat bird. I don't think people are gonna believe me if I don't go up to it. Yes, that bird is alive. I don't know what its problem is. I don't know what's not flying away. You know, it's ironic. This is like the one day my cat decides to play hooky. Makoto is off, God knows where, I don't know. Her unneutered baby having ass is probably running around town having overlapping pregnancies again, so I'll have to deal with that when she gets back. Oh, who am I kidding? I'd love to have more cats. Anyway. Okay. Signing off. Oh, wait. I did one more thing. I did something very smart. Boom! Yeah, you can't really see because it's dark, but I put 10-inch speakers in my car. They're 40-year-old KLHs. Because the older speakers, you know, they have lower wattage, so it takes less to power them up. Anyway, whoop. The old man looked very confused. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna sign off before... I don't know, who am I kidding? There's absolutely nothing going to happen because nothing happens in this town. Okay, love you!